Hello everyone. Today we're diving deep into the ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACMG gaming monitor, and before you make a choice on your next display upgrade, you need to watch this comprehensive review. We've done all the research, tested every feature, and I'll leave a link to the best current price in the description below, so you click to learn whether this monitor deserves a spot on your gaming desk. We're evaluating price point, performance metrics, and real-world gaming scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The ASUS ROG Strix XG27ACMG immediately stands out with its blazing fast 270Hz overclocked refresh rate, making it one of the most responsive 1440p displays on the market today. This 27-inch monitor features a 2560x1440 resolution powered by ASUS Fast IPS technology, delivering that crucial 1 ms GTG response time that competitive gamers demand. At $329, it's positioned aggressively in the mid-range segment, targeting serious gamers who want flagship performance without the flagship price tag. What makes this monitor exceptional is the combination of ASUS Extreme Low Motion Blur Sync technology with variable refresh rate support. This means you're getting crystal clear motion clarity without the typical trade-offs. The ELMB sync feature eliminates both ghosting and screen tearing simultaneously, something that many competitors still struggle to achieve effectively. The color performance is equally impressive, with 95% DCI-P3 color gamut coverage backed by ASUS's advanced grayscale tracking technology. This translates to remarkably accurate colors and smooth gradation, whether you're in an intense firefight or exploring vibrant game worlds. The HDR support further enhances the visual experience, delivering deeper blacks and brighter highlights that make games truly pop off the screen. Furthermore, the ROG Gaming AI technology sets this monitor apart from traditional displays. The AI-powered features automatically optimize display settings based on the content you're viewing, ensuring optimal performance whether you're gaming, watching content, or working. This intelligent adaptation means less time fiddling with settings and more time enjoying your content. Connectivity options are thoroughly modern, featuring USB Type-C with DisplayPort Alt mode alongside traditional inputs. This versatile Type-C connection allows for single-cable solutions with compatible laptops and devices, reducing cable clutter while maintaining full display performance. The included Display Widget Center software makes adjusting monitor settings incredibly intuitive using just your mouse, eliminating the need to navigate cumbersome on-screen menus. Additionally, ASUS includes valuable extras in the package. You'll find a DisplayPort cable, ROG pouch, and even a 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription valued at over $150. This makes the monitor appealing not just to gamers but also to content creators who can leverage both the excellent color accuracy and the creative software bundle. However, one notable downside some users may find is the relatively average 4.3-star rating on Amazon, which suggests there might be some quality control inconsistencies. While most users report exceptional performance, a minority have experienced issues with backlight uniformity or dead pixels, though ASUS's warranty should cover such defects. The monitor excels in fast-paced competitive titles like CS:GO, Valorant, and Apex Legends, where the 270Hz refresh rate provides a tangible competitive advantage. The 1440p resolution strikes an ideal balance between visual clarity and achievable frame rates on modern graphics cards, making it suitable for both esports and AAA gaming experiences. Moreover, the ergonomic design includes full adjustability for height, tilt, swivel, and pivot, ensuring comfortable viewing angles during extended gaming sessions. The subtle ROG aesthetic with customizable RGB lighting adds visual flair without being overly aggressive, fitting well into both gaming setups and professional environments. You got it. So that's it for the best gaming monitor value on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy it or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.